We feel angry at times. It is a part of human life. Angry is an emotion which occurs due to the following situations in our life. We feel we are attacked, deceived, frustrated, invalidated, or humiliated. Not all anger is harmful. Anger is an emotion which has both good as well as bad effects. Anger causes harmful effect if it gets out of control and it harms you or people around you. This can occur in the following situations. Unhelpful or destructive behavior is being used to express anger regularly. For example, by throwing things, by breaking things, using abusive languages. Physical and mental health is having a negative impact due to anger, and you don't have enough skills or you have not developed skills to deal with your anger in a positive way. Now comes the good effects of anger. If you can use this strategy, I believe you can channelize your anger in the right direction and you can achieve a lot of things in your life. Use angry feelings to find instances or things that hurt you. Use it as a motivation for creating a change, achieving your goals, and moving on. Use it as a tool to stay safe by protecting in a dangerous situation. It creates a burst of energy as a part of our fight and flight system. Most people will find episodes in their life when they have experienced instances where they have manageable anger in their life and it did not have any major impact in their life. One very important suggestion is learning how to recognize anger, deal with the anger, and using it in the right way, in a healthy way, is very important in a person's well being. Therefore, my suggestion would be instead of using anger in a destructive way or in an unhealthy way, use it in the right direction to create a positive impact in your life. And you will see you will achieve great things in your life by using it in the right direction. Thank you for watching this video. In my next video, I will come up with more suggestions in our daily life. Thank you.